think we're fucking around over here. But real estate is by far the investment, the best investment class, in my opinion, when it comes to building wealth, protecting yourself from decreasing your tax liability, and also, most importantly, earning income. Because I know they're like, oh, well, you can hedge your coins and all this other shit. But bro, the market's volatile.
So everyone on the panel here, tell the audience one book you recommend about real estate. Tell someone get started with real estate. One book you would recommend. One book.
The one book I would recommend. Damn, I'm trying to remember what the name of the
Rich Dad Poor Dad, I think, was good.
Actually, you know what? That is, I would go with that one. Honestly, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Honestly, yeah.
Chris Kahn also came out with a good book, The Straight Path. I like that. I was listening to that on Audible as well.
He's a legend.
His investment strategy is a little bit different. He buys pretty much almost exclusively single-family homes, but I think that's a fantastic market to buy in, because you're never gonna, if you buy them at the medium price, you're gonna be good, guys. Which I think right now in the United States, the medium price for single-family home throughout the United States is somewhere between $200,000 to $300,000. So if you buy in that range, depending on your market,
I actually think it's more than that, but I don't remember the specific one.